As the opioid crisis continues to tighten its grip on Tennessee, one state agency in charge of taking care of foster kids says it needs more money. And it says opioid abuse is the main reason why. News Channel 5's Jason Lamb tonight with a look at the numbers.
The head of the Department of Children's Services told the governor this week it needs about a 10% budget increase next year, $78 million, due in part to the opioid crisis.
Great opportunity to hear from you.
Governor Bill Lee is meeting with all departments in his first days in office ahead of planning for the budget. It was here that the head of DCS, the state agency that cares for Tennessee's foster kids, said it needed $78 million more next year on top of its $800 million budget because the state is dealing with 10% more foster kids than just 3 years ago.
I can imagine what that increase is from, but can you add some insight?
Governor, you just asked about the number that has gone up, and certainly that is attributed in large part to the opioid crisis, which I know you have a tremendous interest in.
DCS is tasked with overseeing new foster kids when opioid-addicted parents are charged with abuse. Tackling the opioid crisis was one of Governor Lee's campaign points, something he's now coming face-to-face with in a bigger DCS budget.
And at this point, we're asking to just recognize that this isn't going anywhere. We need to put a name on it and have it in there for what it is. It does not appear to be going away at this point.
Jason Lamb, News Channel 5.
If you or someone you know needs help for addiction or mental health, you can call the Tennessee Red Line. It is staffed 24/7. The number right now is toll-free on your screen.